Blossoms 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.1 2.2 Page number 23 and 24. Read the first and second paragraphs on page number 14. Identify the three-letter words and write them in the space given below. Who, was, won, not, get, for, but. Write the missing letters in the following words. HOTEL hotel, FOOD food, DINNER dinner, PARTY party, PEOPLE people. Match the following with the same words. One is done for you. Food, food. Dinner, dinner. Hotel, hotel. Cook, cook. People, people. Bed, bed. Read the third and sixth paragraph. Identify the four-letter words and write them in the space given below. Cook, book, this, said. Able, help, will, come, with. Make meaningful sentences from the following table. Example, he decided to cook. He decided to eat. He decided to go. He decided to sing. He decided to drink. He decided to help. Supply the missing letters to make them meaningful words. OPPORTUNITY opportunity, SUDDUNLY suddenly, FAINTED fainted, FRIENDS friends. Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.3 2.4 Page number 25-26. Read the 7th to 11th paragraph on page number 15. Identify the five-letter words and write them in the space given below. Slice, ready. Stove, ready, hello. Match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Stove, stove. Knife, knife. Recipe book, recipe book. Friends, friends. Dinner, dinner. Dishes, dishes. Write the meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. Let's begin cooking. Let's begin reading. Let's begin writing. Let's begin playing. Let's begin eating. Let's begin jumping. Read the 12th to 14th paragraph on page number 15. Identify the five-letter words and write them in the space given below. Example, after, hours, party, ready, mixer, knife. Supply the missing letters to complete the words. KITCHEN, kitchen. Write 5 meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. He looked at the recipe book. He looked at the board. He looked at the bus. He looked at the bicycle. He looked at the sky. Lessons 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.5 2.6 Page number 27 28. Reading Comprehension. Read the following passage. Once there lived a man named Raju. He owned a small hotel. The food was very tasty in his hotel. Everybody who visited his hotel liked the food. Raju used to supply food on bulk orders. One day he got an order to cook for a big dinner party, but unfortunately fell ill. Raju was quite worried. He said to himself, "I'm not feeling well. I'm not able to get out of the bed. How can I cook for many people?" Choose the right answer. Who was the owner of the hotel? C. Raju. Second one, Raju used to dash food on bulk orders. Supply. Third one, Raju got dash for a dinner party. B. A big order. Fourth one, what happened to Raju on the day of big party? A. He fell ill. Fifth one, who liked food in Raju's hotel? B. Everybody. Write as many words as possible using the letters of the given word. One is done for you. Word is unfortunately. Example 1. Fat, rat, fly. For, ant, net, eat. Run, bet, nut, but. Fill in the boxes with the names of the things we use in the kitchen. One is done for you. Stove. Boxes. Bowl. Cup. Fork. Mixer. Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.7 2.8 Page number 29 30. Write plural forms of the words given below. One is done for you. Sweet, sweets. First one, vegetable, vegetables. Second one, stove, stoves. Third one, friend, friends. Fourth one, cook, cooks. Fifth one, table, tables. Sixth one, pot, pots. Seventh one, hotel, hotels. Eighth one, board, boards. Ninth one, slate, slates. 10th one, school, schools. Identify the singular forms and circle them from the following words. One is done for you. Book. Tree. Vegetable. Egg. Teacher. School. Write the singular forms to the following words given below. Book. Bird. Color. Boy. Girl. Stove. Room. Bag. Slate. Plug. Identify the personal pronouns in the given sentences and circle them. I am Sweta. I am a student of class 3. I. Second one, Praveen is my brother. He likes me very much. He. Kamala is my friend. She comes to school daily. She. Read the following sentences, underline the personal pronouns and write them in the given space. I am Prasad. I am studying in primary school in our village. It has a beautiful garden. My class teacher is Kamala. She teaches English well. She has a son. He also studied in our school. Your personal pronouns are I, it, she, he. Blossoms 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.9 Page number 31-32. Read the sentences given, keep full stops wherever necessary and rewrite them. Raju is a cook. He has a small hotel. Everybody liked food in his hotel. One day he got a big order to cook dinner for a dinner party. Raju got an order to cook for a big dinner party over a phone call. Develop the conversation between the customer and Raju with the help of the clues given below. Raju. Hello, customer. Is it Raju's hotel? Raju. Yes, Raju is speaking. Customer. Will you please take an order for a party? Raju. Yes, for which date? Customer. For the next Sunday. Raju. Yes, sure. How many plates? Customer, 500 plates. Raju, okay, come in the evening and pay the advance. Customer, okay, thank you. Raju, you are welcome. Write 5 sentences by using the following table. Example, may I use your pencil? First one, may I use your pen? Second one, may I use your eraser? Third one, may I use your slate? Fourth one, may I use your book? Problems 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.10 Page number 33-34. Reading comprehension. Read the paragraph. How to make tea. Take a bowl and pour some water in it. Add some tea powder and milk to the water. Put the bowl on the stove. Add some sugar to bring sweetness. Boil it for some time and filter it. Now the tea is ready to drink. Answer the following questions. First one, what is the passage about? Preparation of tea. Second one, what items do we need to prepare tea? Water, milk, tea powder and sugar. Third one, do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Fourth one, what is added to make tea sweet? Sugar. Fifth one, who takes tea in your home? My parents and grandparents. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. First one, who was the owner of the small hotel? Raju was the owner of the small hotel. Second one, why did people like the food in his hotel? The food was very tasty in Raju's hotel. Third one, What order did Raju get one day? He got a big order to cook for a dinner party. Fourth one, who helped Raju to cook food for the big party? The recipe book, pot, knife, mixer and the stove. Fifth one, how do you help your parents in the kitchen? I clean the vegetables, I clean the rice, I help to my mother while preparing food.